Hi there. What we're going to talk about today is how to replace the windshield wiper blades on your Chrysler 200 or on your Dodge Dart. Now to do this, the Chrysler 200 uses a 26-inch driver's side blade and then a 19-inch passenger side blade. Or on the Dart, it's actually a 26 driver's side or an 18-inch passenger side. Now, in this video that you're watching right now, this is me driving down the road. You can see that the windshield wiper blade is not totally clearing up on the driver's side. And if you take a look, we've got the blade right here, and you can see the reason why. The blade itself is starting to come apart, and the only way to solve that is by replacing the wiper blades. Now, when choosing a wiper blade, just be sure not to buy the cheapest. You don't have to buy a crazy expensive one, but cheap ones just don't work. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to replace the wiper blade, and I'll show you how. So when doing this, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead, take the new package for your new wiper blade, open up the package, and in there, you're going to pull out your new wiper blade here. Go ahead and put that aside. And then, at this point, we should be able to take off our old wiper blade. So the old blade itself, if you see here, is going to have a small little clip, which you can actually undo. You see the little button right there? So if you go ahead and you press that button, the wiper blade is going to slide back and actually right off, and you'll see that small little hook there. So that's all you got to do is you push down on that little button and it'll pull right off. Now your new wiper blade is going to do basically the same thing. You're just going to get it oriented and just slide it into place, and it'll actually lock in. Now at this point, you want to check to make sure that the wiper blade itself doesn't have a cover on it, which this one does not. And you can go ahead, put the wiper blade right down, and we'll check to make sure that the blade works, but we should be in business. So now we're back in the car. We'll go ahead and use the wipers, and you'll see that it clears perfectly. So that's all it takes to replace your wiper blades on your Chrysler 200 or Dodge Dart. I'll go ahead and have the wiper blades linked down in the description. That way you can get a good quality blade. I'll help you pick that out for you. Go ahead and like the video. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this about how to take care of things around the house and products that are pretty nice to have.